Hi, please introduce yourself.
I'm your AI assistant, here to help with AI development, embedded systems like the Jetson Orin Nano and Google Technologies. Let's build something awesome together.
Hey there! Welcome to the tutorial. Today we're diving into the world of AI and machine learning on edge devices with the Jetson Orin Nano. By the end of this video, you'll have your own Jarvis-like personal assistant, running entirely offline and locally. Let's take a quick look at what this assistant can do. Let's briefly walk through how this assistant works under the hood. At its core, the system leverages cutting-edge technologies to bring an intelligent, locally hosted AI assistant to life. Here's how it all fits together. Gemma 2 model is a family of lightweight, state-of-the-art open models from Google, built from the same research and technology used to create the Gemini models. Retrieval-Augmented Generation enhances the assistant by allowing it to pull information from a local collection of documents or knowledge base. This means the assistant can give more accurate and detailed answers, especially for specialized topics, by using your own customized data as a reference. Piper text-to-speech engine converts the assistant's text-based responses into natural-sounding speech, allowing for seamless voice interactions. These components work together to handle everything locally. Input: your voice query through the microphone. Processing: transcription by Whisper, natural language processing by Gemma, and augmented responses with RAG. Output: spoken responses powered by Piper. Before we begin, here's what you'll need: a Jetson Orin Nano with Jetpack 6.1 installed, NVIDIA CUDA toolkit, pre-installed with Jetpack, a microphone and speaker for interaction, an active internet connection. First, clone the main repository that includes scripts for dependency installation. Run the following commands. This script will handle most of the required installations for the assistant. Now, let's set up Piper, the engine that will transform text into natural-sounding speech for your assistant. This is an essential part of creating a seamless conversational experience. First, clone the Piper repository into your home directory. Next, create a build directory and navigate into it. This is where the Piper software will be compiled. Now, execute the following commands to configure and build Piper. This may take a few minutes depending on your device. Once the build is complete, you need to move the eSpeak NG data folder to the correct system location. If your device is named something different from Orin Nano, adjust the paths accordingly. For example, if your device is named Jetson User, replace Orin Nano with Jetson User in the file path. Finally, download the necessary voice models and move them to Piper's model directory. Make sure you've already downloaded the files linked in the Prerequisites section. With Piper built and configured, we've completed the voice synthesis component of our assistant. Now let's build LLaMA.cpp, which is an open-source software library that performs inference on various large language models such as Gemma 2. Start by cloning the repository and building it with CUDA support enabled. Once built, LLaMA.cpp will enable us to run the Gemma 2 model smoothly on the Jetson Orin Nano. Next, download the Gemma 2 model using this command. Move the model to the Models folder. Run a benchmark to verify the setup. The benchmark test confirms the setup works, generating 131 tokens in 10.85 seconds, approximately 12.1 milliseconds per token on the Jetson Orin Nano. This performance is suitable for the Gemma 2-2B model. To improve speed, you may reduce tokens, use a smaller model, or increase GPU layers. This result demonstrates the system's capability for advanced text generation on edge devices. If everything works, launch the LLaMA server. Your setup is complete. Now that the server is running, let's
everything
access
works,
the assistant
launch the
through the
LLaMA
web
server.
interface. Open your browser and enter the IP address provided by the server to access the assistant's chat interface. Once you're in, you can easily customize the appearance of the assistant's interface. Let's change the theme to dark mode for a more comfortable viewing experience. Now let's explore the chat functionality. You can interact with your assistant by typing questions into the chat box. Let's start by asking, "Please introduce yourself." As you can see, the assistant responds with an introduction of itself. How many languages can you understand and generate responses in fluently? The assistant replies with an answer, explaining the languages it can understand and respond in. Write me a Malay pantun. As you can see, the assistant is fully functional, answering queries and providing creative responses. The chat interface offers a smooth and interactive experience, making it easy to communicate with your assistant at any time. With this web interface, you have a powerful, customizable personal assistant right at your fingertips. You can ask it questions, get creative responses, and even customize the user interface to match your preferences. Now, we're in the final stage, integrating all the components and running the assistant. Start by creating and activating the Python virtual environment where we'll install all necessary dependencies. Next, we'll download the PyTorch wheel optimized for Jetson devices. Head over to the Jetson Download Center on your browser. Once downloaded, move the file to the Orin Nano Assistant folder for installation. This ensures the installation script will locate the wheel in the correct directory. With our virtual environment set up, let's now install the necessary dependencies and configure the system for optimal performance. First, we install the PyTorch wheel specifically optimized for Jetson devices. Next, we set up the CUDA keyring and install essential CUDA libraries for better performance. Finally, we use the requirements file to install all the Python dependencies in one go. Before running the assistant, there's one final tweak to make sure it works seamlessly on your device. Open the assistant file in your favorite code editor. You'll need to adjust the directory on line 100 to match your device's name. For example, if your device name is different from Orin Nano, replace it with your actual device name, then save the changes and exit the editor. Now that everything is set up, let's run the assistant and see it in action. Go ahead and enter the following command to launch the assistant. Once it's running, speak into the microphone. You should hear your assistant respond through the speaker.
Hi, please introduce yourself.
I'm your AI assistant, here to help with AI development, embedded systems like the Jetson Orin Nano and Google Technologies. Let's build something awesome together.
The assistant is now fully functional and ready to assist you with any queries you have.
Can you summarize the latest trends in AI?
Source AI libraries are making AI development more accessible, and Retrieval-Augmented Generation is enhancing AI responses by integrating external knowledge bases. The Jetson Orin Nano is a powerful computer designed for edge AI applications.
Tell me about the Orin Nano.
Jetson Orin Nano is a compact, powerful computer designed by NVIDIA for AI applications at the edge. It's known for being a powerful tool for developers who want to create AI assistants with minimal lines of Python code.
Try asking a simple question like, "What's the weather like today?" Or, "Tell me a joke." The assistant will process your speech, understand your request, and give a spoken response, all powered by the Gemma 2 model and Piper's text-to-speech functionality. Congratulations! You've just built your very own personal assistant on the Jetson Orin Nano. From here, you can customize its behavior, expand its knowledge, or even change the voice to better suit your needs. The possibilities are endless. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to see how you customize your assistant. Share your ideas in the comments below.